Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how you can recover your deleted files from your SD card or pen drive and how you can recover the data from locked Android phone. So guys, let's begin. So first of all, we will be seeing how we can recover the data from the pen drive or SD cards or any external storage devices, and we can also recover the locked Android phone. Here are the steps given, but you know, is it possible to access and retrieve data from locked Android phone? First question is that, it is not possible because if the Android phone here is locked, so you can unlock it using a Google account password or Google Android lock screen remover. There are so many Android lock screen remover available, but if you try to remove your lock screen, all your data will be reset. So it is very hard to recover files from the phone internal storage. So if you store your data in the external storage like the SD cards, then you can retrieve your data easily. It is just not possible. You can connect your Android phone and execute the recovery on the external storage media, but for that you have to click on the external storage on the phone like MTP. You have to select the MTP option, file transfer option. So yeah, this is very hard to recover files from a locked Android phone, but you can do it if you have stored all your files on the external SD card. You can locate your SD card, you can insert the SD card directly into your laptop, or you can do it through a card reader. Just connect it as I am doing, and you can also recover the data from the external devices like hard disk or pen drive, any other external storage devices. Here is the link. Just click on download for Windows or for Mac. If you are having a Mac, just download for Windows. Okay, so guys, now after downloading the software, recover it, just double click on the setup and click on install. Now wait for the installation. This will take a bit of time to install the software, so we'll just fast forward it. So guys, this video has been sponsored by Wondershare Recover It. So you can download this software from the link given in the description below. And so guys, please, if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. There will be the name of the Telegram group here. You can join the Telegram group from there. And also, if you are enjoying this video, then please give it a like. So as you can see, this has installed, and now you can just start the software. And these are the steps, these are the options you can see. Select the location, scan for computer and devices, and preview and recover your lost files. This is just the simple 3 steps which I am going to show you practically. So here I am using this pen drive. I first of all just connect the pen drive. Okay, as you can see, it is showing me the pen drive. I will show you these are the files, and I will be deleting them in front of you. So as you can see, these are the 4 photos I have copied. I will just show it to you. Open. As you can see, so these are the 4 photos I have copied, and I will be deleting it in front of you, like the permanently deleting it, like shift and delete. As you can see, permanently these 4 items, I will click on yes, and I have deleted these 4 items in front of you. Now what if you want to recover those files, like accidentally you have deleted them, or sometimes you accidentally delete or format the memory card from your camera also. So yeah, in this type of situation, the Wondershare Recover It comes helpful. So just open the Wondershare Recover It, just install it. I have given the link in the description below. Download from here. Here it is, the Wondershare Recover It. Just open the software. Now locate the external device you have connected. I have connected the pen drive, and here as you can see, this is the external device. Just click on it, and now it will find the files. So here are the 4 files which I have deleted. As you can see, here are the 4 files. So you can just view them. As you can see, This is the file which I had deleted in front of you, and now just click on recover. You have to pause the scan to recover these files. Now just click on recover, and to recover these files you have to buy this version. Here it is the buy now option, and I'll just show you the prices. To recover file you can buy the essential one, that is $69 per year, but you can buy it for 1 month also, which is $59, which is very costly in terms of, but you can buy the essential one for 1 year license, which is the cheap 69.95, that is $70. And you can buy the standard version, in which you can also computer crash recovery for one PC and files recovery and repair for two PCs in the advanced one. So yeah, you can just recover these files very easily. So as you can see, these are the another files which I had just deleted once, and still I can recover these files from here. So yeah, this is a great software if you have deleted some important data accidentally from your camera or from your pen drive or SD card. So this software comes very useful in that type of situation. So going back, you can exit, and you can not just recover your data from the external device, but you can do it same from the internal device also. As you can see, the hard disk drives, and you can do it for a particular folder also. Just select the folder from which whatever you want to recover your data, and you can simply recover them. So yeah, this video has been sponsored by Wondershare Recover It, which is a great recovery software. So yeah, that is it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and bye.